In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets. This connection is a simple way to bring your task data into a spreadsheet so you can build pivot tables, custom charts, and advanced reports that go well beyond standard dashboards. It also opens the door to smooth two-way automation, where updates in a sheet can trigger actions in ClickUp, keeping your records and project lists in sync without constant manual entry. Plus, Sheets provides a flexible space for complex calculations, bulk edits, and a centralized archive that's easy to share with external stakeholders. Start by signing into your ClickUp account and opening the space, folder, or list where you want this integration to live. Give yourself a quick check that you have the right permissions in that area, so your view can be created and shared with your team. With your project open, look for the plus icon to add a new view. Choose Embed as the view type. In the Embed options, select Google Sheets. This tells ClickUp you're going to display a live spreadsheet right inside your project, so you can see and edit data without bouncing between tabs. Before you paste the link, switch over to your Google Sheet and adjust its sharing settings. In the Share dialog, set it so that anyone with the link can edit. This is required for full editing directly within ClickUp. If you're working with sensitive information, consider using a dedicated sheet or tab with only the necessary columns, and keep the master data private. You can always tighten permissions later if your workflow changes. Copy the sheet's URL and paste it into the Embed field in ClickUp. Save the view, and you should see your spreadsheet appear instantly. Take a moment to test basic actions. Scroll, sort, filter, and make a small edit to confirm changes stick. Freezing the header row and using clear column names will make the embedded experience easier for your team. If you rely on formulas or pivot tables, keep them on their own tabs and reference a clean data tab to prevent accidental edits. From here, you can build charts in Sheets, use formulas for rollups, or maintain a bulk edit tab that mirrors task attributes. As you refine your process, this setup becomes a powerful system for reporting, forecasting, and keeping stakeholders aligned without exporting and re-uploading files. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.